Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On this video, we will be learning how to log into your Facebook account. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. To log into your Facebook account, first of all tap on Facebook app on your phone. Here on the homepage of Facebook, you can see options for login, forgotten password or create new account. Now you can log into your Facebook account by two options, using your registered phone number or your registered email address. In this video, I will be teaching you how to log into your Facebook account using your email address. So, on the email address bar, type your email address. Now, type your password and tap on login. You are being logged into your account. I hope this video helped you log into your Facebook account. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.